Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So let's say I want to build a suspension bridge where the height of this pillar, is 20 meters, and the height of this pillar here is 45 meters. Let's say I've got a metal cable of length 115 meters. If we were to lay the cable here, it will probably look something like this. Okay, but the thing is, I want to bolt this thing down here. So there's some tension here. And so this thing here will be straight. Okay, I really want to stretch the cable here. So really bolt it down. The question is, what is this length here? And what is the height of my cable here, the vertical cable here? I want to minimize my vertical cable here. Okay, so what should this length be, and what should the height be here? Okay, you don't need to do any calculation. Just use a graph plotter and then roughly read from the graph plotter what this length here must be and what this height here must be. Okay. And as a clue, use these two formulas here. Okay. So well, anyway, get your graph plotter and do whatever you want. Find out well, when you lay the cable, it will look something like this. Oops, hang on. When you lay the cable, it will probably look something like this. But the thing is, we want to bolt it down. We want to really stretch it. Okay. Well, anyway, find out this length here and this height here. Okay. So hang on. So press pause and well, use these two formulas here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, get yourself a graph plotter and look at the situation here. Hang on. So we are going to define our origin right here. Okay, so this is our origin, and this here is 100,25. Okay, so from here, this whole length here is 45, but then you've got to take away 20. So the coordinates here will be 100,25. Okay, so what that means is, hang on. So what that means is, if you look at the formula here, you want to sketch this thing here. Okay, so put 115 into here, and then put well, this here, don't forget A here, in our case here will be 100. This is our A here, this here is our B. Okay, so put it into here. So get yourself a graph plotter, plot this 100 into the A, and B here, put 25 into here. Plot this line, and it will give you this. It will give you this red line here. Okay, but then also we want to find out when, well, then plot this line here. But don't forget, this here will be 100. This here will be 25. Plot this thing here. It will then give you the blue line here. Okay, so this here is a point that you're interested in. So what that means is, hang on. So what that means is this is our scenario here. What that means is if you superimpose our graph onto here, you see when you lay, hang on. So this is our bridge here. We've got a cable of length 115. When you lay the cable, it will probably do something like this, but use a graph plotter and you can get a much more accurate answer here. So this here will be at its lowest point. So really you want to bolt it right here. You want to bolt it right here. Okay, so this length here, well, you would read it to be, well, 30 would be here. So we would probably guess about 28 meters along. Okay, 28 meters along. How high up would this be? Well, it would be this height here. This height here. Well, you can work it out from rereading this. This height here will be hang on. this height here will be, well, think about it. I'm sure you can work out the height here. Okay, so superimpose our graph onto here, and then you can read this bit here. Okay.